Hello, personal finance. Today we're talking about credit cards again. We left yesterday talking about interest, and we used the little interest calculator to see if that would impact your desire to utilize credit. If you hadn't answered that question, please do so in your notes right here. The other question down here, it says, what other forms of credit are available? So, credit means to borrow. So, what other forms of money or in what other ways could you borrow or take out a line of credit? I want you to put those answers right here. We'll talk about those on Thursday when I come back, but I want to see what you can come up with first. Okay? After you finish that, you're going to go to the next slide, and it says list different card options available. Find 3 different types of credit cards to compare and put them on the next 3 slides. So I want a card per slide on the next 3 slides. So you're going to have to make your own new slides to do that. And then I want you to include special incentives, brand, annual fees, any kind of percentage rates they give you, APRs, things like that. To help you do that, I've included this link here. It says comparing cards. If you click on this link, it'll take you right to the top 10 cards available right now. If you type in credit card comparisons, they'll give you a bunch of options. This is the best one that I found. So I thought it was quick and easy to understand. You tell me if you think so, but please pick the 3 that you think are the best according to your needs and put those in the next 3 slides. Put that information in the next 3 slides. After you finish that, the next slide you're going to finish or work on is the costly credit terms. And my real question is, did we miss any? What do these mean is basically what I want you to tell me. What is APR? What is an annual fee? What is a credit limit? What's a finance charge? Try to find the answers to these items. And then when I come back, we'll double check and make sure those are correct. But you need to find these answers first. After you do that, you're going on to the next slide. Other fees may apply. What are these things? Over the limit fees, late fees, universal defaults. Find those out as well. The next slide, what will you need when you apply for credit? What is a good credit score? Find me a chart that shows what a good credit score and a bad credit score is. All right, and plug that picture in here. The next thing is your current income. You need to, that's just a note for you to know. You need to have that to apply for credit. And you also need a social security number. They're going to go in and look at your past to see what your proven record is on paying and or income tax, because a lot of your income taxes that you pay are relative to social security. Um, the next slide is the 4 C's of credit. You have to have these things to get credit as well. I have provided you with a link. I want you to review that link and then fill this in. Tell me what collateral, capital, capacity, and character are. All right. It does say briefly describe each, so please briefly describe each. After you've done that, the next slide, what is your philosophy on making a payment? Just making a payment, not anything else. What is your philosophy on making a payment on your credit card? Is it pay it off a little at a time, pay it off when it's convenient, or pay it off monthly? Explain your philosophy and why you would make the payments that way. That's it. If you want to look at the credit card interest calculator again to help justify your answer, you can do that. And then finally, the last slide and the last part of this, credit cards goes fast. Prepare your credit card philosophy on a separate document called My Credit Card Philosophy, and you need to answer these 5 questions. All right, we've talked um, at length enough for you to understand credit cards, in my opinion. They don't get much more complicated than what we've talked about so far. It's just a matter of using them responsibly. So tell me, what is your credit card philosophy now? A lot of those people we watched in the video earlier explained their credit card philosophy. Now it's your turn. All right, that's it. That's all you have for today. Good luck. I hope you do well. And I will see you on Thursday because Test Drive Extravaganza is tomorrow. Have a good day.